Hey guys, welcome back to Next Gen Blogger, and in this video I will combine the text object along with the glitch effect in VSCC free video editor. So without further delay, let's get started. As you can see, I've already imported my demo video in the editor, and what I would really like to do is, first of all, I would like to add the glitch effect on a particular portion in my video. So double click on the video, then go to video effects, go to special effects, select glitch and click on OK. Now let me just decrease the duration of my glitch effect like this. So my glitch effect is at 3 seconds 600 milliseconds on the timeline. So let me just make it an absolute value and let me just place it at exact 3 seconds. And the duration of my glitch effect is 2 seconds 400 milliseconds. So again, let me just make this an absolute value and let the duration of my glitch effect be exactly 2 seconds. Perfect. Now the preset is currently set to custom, so let me just change, or let me just select a different preset. Let me just select this one, colors only, and let me just quickly play the video for you. So this is how my video is playing normally, and this is how it is playing after I've applied the glitch effect. And now what I would really like to do is I would like to add some text right when the glitch effect starts taking place. So my glitch effect is starting at 3 seconds on the timeline. So let me just place my cursor at 3 seconds right here. And the duration of my glitch effect is 2 seconds. So let me just go back to my main editing timeline and let me just go to add object, text. Let me just click on text and click on OK. Let me just place my text right here at the center of the screen and set the same size as the parent has, and decrease the duration of the text object from 6 seconds to 66 milliseconds to just 2 seconds, because that is the duration of my glitch effect as well. So let me just write some text. So let me just write the text. Let's say text glitch and text glitch, and let me just center align my text. Let's also change the font to impact, and let's increase the font size to 250 pixels. Let's change the text color from white to, let's go to civic theme and select this color right here, accent to lighter 40%. And as you can see, this is how my text is looking. Let me just quickly play the video once again. So this is how my video is playing normally, and this is what happens when the glitch effect is applied. Let me just change the preset because this is not working. So let me just select my glitch effect, and inside preset let me just change this to color loss, and let's just check our video once again. So this is how my video is looking normally, and this is how my video is looking when the glitch effect is applied. Perfect. So this is how you can actually combine the text object and the glitch effect. You need to work on the text color so that they kind of, the glitch effect and the text object kind of complement each other. So when I had applied this particular preset in my glitch effect, the color loss, so there is this black background coming up, and which is why my text looks a little better than what it was looking previously when I had selected this fifth preset, which is colors only. You can try all the presets. I've made a separate video on glitch effect, as you all know. You can check that out as well, but you can try different preset and see how things are looking up. So that's it, guys. This is how you can actually combine the text object and the glitch effect. So glitch effect is applied inside the video and the text object is outside the video, but the timing and the placement of the glitch effect and the text object are both same. So that's it, guys. Do share with me your thoughts in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.